terrified of flying. Here's something surprising. Flying is one of the safest ways to travel. But when crashes do happen, they rarely occur mid-air. 80% of plane accidents happen during takeoff or landing. Why? These phases involve constant change of speed, altitude, and pilot decisions all in seconds. Human error, not engine failure, is the top cause. Mechanical issues are much less common thanks to rigorous maintenance and inspection protocols. Once a plane reaches cruising altitude, it's incredibly stable. No sharp turns, no sudden stops, and autopilot often takes over. So next time you're flying, remember, most of the journey is statistically the safest part.